So let's have a look at this question. Draw a triangle ABC where AB is 3.9, angle CAB is 50 degrees and ABC is 63. So AB is already drawn for you, so all we need to do is measure these two angles. We get the protractor. The first thing we need to do is we put it so that the central part of the protractor is on the end of the line. You can zoom into Mathswatch. Then there is a little line on the protractor. You're going to move this so it matches with 50 degrees. Remember that this is a acute angle, not an obtuse. So we choose the 50 degrees here, not on the other side. What we're then going to do is we need to draw a straight line. So we're going to press the ruler. We're going to leave the protractor where it is. We're going to rotate the ruler using the yellow buttons, not the blue buttons. We're going to rotate the ruler so it matches with the protractor line. Let's just zoom in. Indeed it does. We're then going to draw an arbitrarily long line. Here we go. We're then going to move the ruler out of the way. We're then going to move the protractor onto the other side, making sure we line up the central part of the protractor with the end of the line. We're then going to move this grey line on the protractor to match 63. Again, this is an acute angle. So make sure you click off the protractor, click on the grey line, 63, it's near the 65 line, zoom in, 64, 63. It's quite hard to get exact. Then you're going to move away, then we're going to change the direction of the ruler, like this. We're going to line up the ruler with the line itself. This is quite hard to see, so zoom in. We need to rotate it a couple of degrees to the left. Obviously, there is room for error in these questions. And we're going to draw a straight line. There we go. Then click off the ruler and the protractor and then press submit answer and you get your full marks. Now, question 7 is similar. You are constructing a triangle. However, this is a different topic. The reason why is because we've got to use a set of compasses. Now, you need to make sure that these match these lengths. So let's increase this to 3 centimetres. Now, you need to put the central part of the compass, this would be like the pointy part on an actual compass, here. And you are going to hold on to the blue, and then this will draw an arc. This means that if we wanted to go from B to any point on the red arc, the most direct path would be 3 centimetres. Now we need to do the same, but for the other side. This time AC is 1.5 centimetres. So let's reduce this to 1.5. We're going to put this central part of the compass on the line and we're going to draw an arc. Again, we can see that from A to any point on the arc is 1.5 centimetres. The final step you'd have to do then is get your ruler. You are going to have to clear this line, as I didn't mean to draw this. Rotate the ruler or make it bigger or smaller. Rotating is this one here. And we want to join up A with the intersection of the two arcs, which is here. Draw the line, extend it beyond the arcs, that's fine. You need to then draw another line going from B through the intersection and beyond, and then press submit. I hope that helps you with constructing triangles.